Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Helen of Helen Jeanne Designs and Hope Filled Journals. And in my last video, I showed you how to make these little journal flips that I made as part of a challenge with Junk Journaling for Everyone. And I thought since I showed you how I made those that I would just show you a little flip through of what I've done in the journal so far. I'm creating a country farm style journal, and some of the printables that I'm using are printables that I created myself, but I've also used a couple of other printables. One of them is from Mary Licks, and it has farm journal pages, and another is from Paper Princess Digital, and I purchased these kits on Etsy from their Etsy shops, and I will list those in the links below. So this is going to be a 3 signature journal, and I still need to make the cover. I have a feeling that's going to be part of the challenge. So what I'm going to do is just basically just go through and show you what I've done so far. So as you can see, the journal is not complete. I have to put in some more tuck spots and journaling cards, and I have a few more here that I haven't even found spots for, and I'll probably rearrange the places for some of the ones I put in. These journaling flips, I have not figured out where I'm going to put them yet, so I didn't have them glued in, and I still have quite a bit to do, but I'll put a link to the kits that I used below. And I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what I've been working on, and I will probably make a video when I do complete the journal. So until next time, I want to thank you for watching. If you can please hit the like and subscribe button so you can be notified for future videos, and I hope to have my next video out really soon. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!